In this video, I'll show you how to set up Apple Cash on iPhone. By the way, if you run a business, Apple Cash probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. If you want to send and receive money directly in the Messages app, you'll need to turn on Apple Cash first. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap your name at the top. Then go to Sign in Security, and make sure two-factor authentication is turned on, since this is required. You also need to be at least 18 years old and located in the United States. Once those requirements are met, go back to Settings, scroll down, and tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Find Apple Cash and toggle it on. Enter your Apple ID password when prompted, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Tap Continue as it finishes setting up. You can choose to add a debit card now, or select Add Card later if you prefer. Apple Cash is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, AirWallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Apple Cash offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed AirWallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.